Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making home-style Bangladeshi chicken korma. Let's get started. In a bowl, add in your chicken legs, plain yogurt, salt, and mix thoroughly. Set aside and marinate for 30 minutes. In a pot on medium-high heat, preheat your oil and follow with ghee, onions, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, green cardamom, mace, peppercorn, black cardamom, and mix until the onions are golden brown. Next, follow with your onion paste. Begin adding in your yogurt, cashew and almond paste, garlic paste, ginger paste, and combine thoroughly. On medium heat, start adding in your spices, chili powder and coriander powder. Mix thoroughly as we want to cook the spices for as much as we can to bring out the flavors. Now add in your half cup of milk before you add in the chicken and cook until fragrant. Once the gravy becomes fragrant, add in your chicken legs and coat the legs thoroughly. Cover with lid for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give your chicken another toss and cover for an additional 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat. How tasty does that look? Now add in the remaining milk and cook for another 10 minutes until the gravy becomes thick. Add in a few sliced green chilies and some fried onions. Cover for another 5 minutes and follow with ghee, rose water, and gouda water. And there you have it, an aromatic, flavorful, and deeply chicken-flavored dish. Pair this with pulao or basmati rice. Thanks for watching and tune in every Tuesdays and Thursdays for new recipes. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Link is in the description.